Times Square, baka with somebody. Wala. But, can I have the house lights on? Parang I didn't know there's people sa taas. Ano ba? Parang kasi yung malakas na ilaw, nagiging bulat ako. Yun, baby, I tried it. Escape. Ay, wala! Wait. Okay. Hindi na lang sa baba, no? Well, I think in the back, kasi meron akong bagong CD. I don't know if you guys know about it. You have one. What is it called? Yes. Who's it with? Okay. It's called Love Duets. And this next song is from that album. Huh? Later. We have I believe we have autograph signing afterwards, so I will sign it for you. Yes. But this next song is from the Love Duets CD. So.
Oo, bakit kayo ni Ann? Ayaw, Tony.